Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating easy causes. Once done, you can move to settings. First, make sure the cable and port support the monitor's refresh rate. Swap to DisplayPort or HDMI 2, 0+ if needed. Then set the panel to its native resolution and correct refresh rate in your OS. This prevents timing mismatch. Update the GPU drivers so the output timing is clean. Finally, run a moving bar ghosting test to see the problem live, and note whether trailing follows bright or dark areas. Once you know how the ghost looks, dig into tuning. You should toggle overdrive or response time, try off, then normal, then extreme, because overdrive can create inverse ghosting. Next, experiment with synchronization tech. Turn VSync, G-Sync, or FreeSync on and off. Make sure they match the cable and refresh rate. Also lower color depth and test again to rule out signal bandwidth. If uncertain, swap cables and test another GPU or monitor to isolate whether panel or source is at. You finish by restoring defaults because custom calibration can hide root causes. Do a factory reset, and if the manufacturer offers firmware, apply it. Firmware can adjust timing and overdrive curves. If ghosting still appears after trying cables, drivers, overdrive, and sync modes, the panel or its scaler is likely faulty. Consider warranty repair or replacement. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the same ghosting on another computer if it follows the monitor. You've confirmed a hardware issue that needs service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.